Now we'll just promote a little this session and we will get started. So just bear with me while I do so. Let's see. Okay. So we start in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if you're in YouTube now, make sure you push the like button. More people get in, longer I will do this session. So we start in 2 minutes. I do not set a specific time we're going to stop today. I will just trade while it is fun. Let's see. We'll start with this pair. Now let's see if it's coming someone in. Okay, we have 2. And I have 2 likes. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. More likes we get, more views YouTube will give us. So I hope we can get a lot of people in this Saturday morning. For me, it's actually 8 in morning. I will start trading in 1 minute. Three likes, thank you. Thank you so much. If we keep that going for everyone that comes in, I think we will do well in this session. I think I will just start now. I see the clock is 8 in morning, so we'll get started. So basically, we need to use candle chart. I will also post every signal we do. I will do it in Telegram and Twitter and in WhatsApp. Basically what we're looking for is lines like this. Here we have a beautiful line. We see that was done here, now come up here. So basically this area here, they turn out to be a good support area after as it was a good resistance here. We will mark this. We are not all the way down there yet, but it's a good starting point. So let's make a line there, probably for later. I will not post this one because we're a little too far away. I'd rather post if we come a little closer. But currently, yes, that is the first one we can at least mark up. I do not think I see anything else here, so let's keep just this one. Let's move on. Here we have a beautiful one on the top. This one we can mark. Let's make it a red line. Let me zoom in so I like that one. Binary options sell line for, let me change it for 30 if you come up. Line for out rough at 0, 60, 33, 42. There. Let's take a screenshot. screenshot of that, so we post it in places. I'm ready to push down if we come up to that line. Hopefully we don't come up before I start to push it out to the places. Let's see. But yes, I'm ready. And I don't like that we're going so much down. I hope he locks around here so you don't go too far down. It's a support area, so I hope it holds. Okay, I'm ready to push down. If you come up to the red, I'll zoom in just a little bit. Let's choose closer trades and let's wait and see. Last session yesterday we just made a small 100 and something profit. We were down all day long till we turned a profit in the end. I think we made $132 profit yesterday. It was good, by the way, as we turned a bad day into a good day. The day before, I think we made 1,100 something profit. So the good thing is that we are running in profit every single day. So let's hope this line can hold for a little while so we print some money this Saturday morning also. I do not like that he goes so much down. I really hope that he holds and he closes with a bar up here. Let's see. Now we are still holding. I think if we break below this region here, we will start to look for a new pair. But currently we are still active because basically in 1 minute we can come up here and get a trade. So you'll still follow this one. While we wait, give me a like if you have not done so, because like I said, more people get into YouTube, longer I will stay. Also take advantage if you have not opened an account. You get 200% on the first deposit with the promo code. It's pinned in the chat. Okay, looks like we need to look for a new pair. No, it's too far down. I'll see where he closed. Maybe he closed up here. But if he closed down here, then we will just start to look for a new pair. While we wait, we can take a look at this one. Okay, he's getting closer also. Actually, it's almost the same close like this one. And this line, I like a lot. I think we start to look for one more. Let's see. I would say we have something up here, but I'm on the fence on this one. I need to admit, I'm a little on the fence. I don't like when you get up. I think we want to skip this one. I don't like it for some reason. We have many small down here, but nothing amazing. Okay, here we had a beautiful one for a very long time, but we don't have anything the other way, as far as I can see. We have one here. I think for now we move on. Okay, here we have one. Let's mark it around there. Let's binary options sell line for CAD COF at 0.68 30 29. We will mark that one. So you got one more to follow. While I post this, if you see one of the other lines start to be trading, send me a message in WhatsApp, because if you send there, it pop up in my screen, and then I'll jump over and trade together with you. So if you see any of the other ones I made, send me a message in WhatsApp. Let's see, just post these things. And remember, every time you change in between, to change this to 30. Because when we change in between, he got 5 seconds. I have done so many mistakes with that. I always forget myself. That's why I try to recognize you to do it. If you're in here now and you have not made a like, it's complete for free to push that like button, and you help me out tremendously. Because more people I get in, more better it is. Thanks so much. Now we have 4 likes. Okay, now let's see. I will now fast check the other ones. Here we are incredible close now. Let's see, I'm ready. You need to warn me. I'm not in yet. I'm in. Quite good entry. I like it. So as long as he hold, I think he'll win that one. Let's see. We will gain $95 if we win this one. Looks to be holding quite beautifully. But of course we need to wait more 8 seconds. He break up. But we still won it, but we are not going to trade it more. As he made a higher high here now, we are not going to trade it more, but at least we gained our first $95. So happy with that. I will now post that in the group, so hopefully we start to get in some more people, as we can trade this one, by the way, more. $95 profit till now. Let me just... I need to as I'm a so small YouTuber, I need to promote everything I do all the time, just so we get in some more people. Let me see. There we have it. So we are not trading this one more. as he broke a bow. Now he need to get us a few tests before we can continue with that one. But a good start, by the way, but I would wish that he would hold so we could trade a little longer on that line. But nothing we can do. Let's find another one. Let's check if this one has come down. Not down to our line yet. Okay. I think we can just... we can keep it. Wait. But yes, see how annoying? You see how long we could have traded here? And when we started, he break up. But by the way, we won, so I'm happy with that. So then, a little far away from this line also. So let's see if we can find one more. Let me see. This one is actually quite decent. We see that all these areas up here. I got a message, I want to copy your trades. It's just to follow. It's that simple. I'll just post that for him. Yeah. Just to copy. I don't allow anyone to copy directly. I think that is not fair for me because I spent so much time on this. I think that is just lazy. Rather learn the way I'm trading and do it yourself. Binary options sell line for GPY at 145, 67, 61. So no, I do not allow anyone to copy me directly, but you can follow my trades and do it manually yourself. It's actually quite simple. We basically just, like here now, you just need to wait and take trades based on this red line. It's that simple. I'll just post that super fast and we will follow. I will change for 30 if for some reason it come up while I'm posting it. I have not decided how long time we'll be live today. Depends on how much activity we get on this video. So make sure you do your job. That is to give me a like if you have not done so yet. Sadly, looks like we're going down. I will still post it. So if we come up later, we can trade it without need to be sending out notification for people. Because I like everyone to have the same opportunities like me to follow my trades. Plus I get maybe some more people into this live session. Now let's see. While we wait, basically I see just the 2 live people here, so it's very low activity this Saturday morning. Maybe it is too early, I don't know. What is the time where you live now, just to have an idea about the ones that are in here now? Is it in the morning for you or are you later in the day? Tell me, and also tell me where you're from. Just to have a day if I need to do Saturday and Sunday trading and maybe a little later in the day. Also, if you are new here, if this is the first time you're here, are you copying what I'm doing? If not, maybe you should open the binary option broker you have on the side here. Plus, if you have not pushed the like button, do that, because more people get in, longer I will be trading. Now this looks very sad, we're very far away. Let's take a look. This one is still active. And we are a little far away here, but if we can just break below this region here, we will then come into our trading zone. So I believe that you'll get trading on this one today. Of course, depends how many people that come into the live session, because I'm not going to be trading too long if we just are 2-3 people. So now let's see. But yes, it's these two that have a possibility for trading today, looks like. I think we will move on, see if we can find something more. We have a beautiful line down here also. We will mark that one. Let's make it to a green line. Let's zoom in. I like this position. Let me see. There. Okay. This looks good for me. We can post it also. Options buy line for out at 1:52:32:50. I will change for 30 seconds. So if we come down to this line, I will take a trade while I post it. So now let's wait a little and see if we can get a trade there. At least we are $95 profit till now. So at least we made something, but hopefully we can get some more trades. I like this, what I'm seeing now. Looks like it's coming down to our trading zone. Take a screenshot. I'm ready to push stop button. Now let's fast check the other pairs. Nothing for now, so this is the closest one. And see, always change to 30 when you change in between, because it changed to 5 here. I have done this mistake so many times and take a trade on 5 seconds, and then basically, even if you push directly on the line, it's a little gambling. So always make sure you change this to 30 seconds. You can do on 15 also, it works, but I prefer 30 myself. We are sadly a little too few people live. I see just 2 people. So I don't think we will trade too long today, because that is too few. So make sure to push the like button so we get more people in, because we have too few people in the live session and I don't see that much activity. Also, like I said, tell me where you're from and what is your time in your region now, because we need more activity and I need to know if maybe I need to take this live session, especially in Saturdays, another time, maybe later on day. For me it's just 8:21 in the morning, so if that's the case for you and it's for too early maybe, then we will need to change the time we trade. I know in most of Europa it's like 5 hours more, so it's like around 1 in day, I think, in most places in Europa. That's why I chose this time, but tell me. Now, I'm waiting here now to see if we can get in some trades. I am basically following 3 pairs currently. That is closer. Now let's see here. Here's the same case. We need to break this region here. It's a strong support. If we break in here, we will come into our trading zone and hopefully we can get in some trades. But for that, we just need to break this support here. Now he's testing again. Hopefully this is the time he breaks down. I'll change a little in between all of this to see so we don't lose any trade. Oh, here, 30 seconds. But he broke it. So I was actually quite lucky. I did not have this one open myself. I see that he have an area down here also, so it does not mean that it's broken, it's just not something I like to trade. And probably if I take a trade here, I would have won. But I don't like if this new support line go all the way down here. I don't like it. But what we can do, we can try to put it down here to see. Let's see. I'll move it a little more up there. Let's see. I can see. Maybe we can take a trade down there. I want to see one more time. If I will not take it now. I want to see one more time if this line holds, because this was not the original plan. Let's go back to this one and see how this plays out. For now, I don't like it 100%. I have my specific way I like to have things, and if okay, these two were close, but not that close anymore. Like I said, I need to get more people in if I'm going to keep this session live. Okay, now let's see if we can get a new test down there. I don't feel comfortable trading up here as we did go all the way down here. Now let's see. So till now we just have one trade and $95 profit. We are just 3 people, okay. So we have South Korea. Oh wow, it's that big difference. So it's 12-hour difference between South Korea and Brazil. Okay, so yeah, when you hedge, make sure that you see now. When you hedge, if you break down, hold your mouse over to see how much time you left. Then change, because of course we can't put it perfectly, but you have 15 and 5. Choose the one that is closest to you, the bar that is closing. Because if you take a hedging on 30 seconds and you have a trade that is 15 seconds, for example, then yes, you can lose both of them. But if you change to the same time, so it's closer, it's a higher probability. So if that helps you out, I try to do that. I understand that you need to really do things fast to do this. I often forget to do it myself, to change the time, but it's worth to take the time to do that. Okay. Now I'm ready to go in, because just because we have not got so much trades, I know it's stupid, but I will take a trade on the green line. You should not copy now, because I would like to see more tests on this line. But I'm a little bored. Few people in the trading. I mean in the live session. I like to at least have like 7, 8. I know I'm a small YouTuber, but 2, 3 is too few. I'm hoping as I do this every single day that around in the end of the year that we could start to have at least 100, because I do have 5,700 followers, but my channel have died a little because I was all into robot trading before. First I did much crypto, then I jumped all over to this, do some forex trading, then I start with the binary option robots, and then I started to see many was losing money with the binary options robots, and I don't want that, so that's why I did start to change over to do some manual trading, and this is what I will continue doing on the channel. So of course takes a little while before all my subscribers appreciate my new way of style on the videos, and I hope that live sessions can make them see that what I do is actually working, because I make money almost in every single session I do. So that's why I started to do live sessions like this, because I don't think any other YouTuber do what I do every single day, and not live at least, because you need, I can't hide anything. I need to really show you all that it's working what I'm doing. And I think that is too scary for many of these bigger YouTubers to do this. They hide themselves in, let's see. You should not copy now, by the way. This is risky, because it's not tested so much, this line down here. But I will do it because I'm bored. So let's see, if you come down, I will take it. I want to have the good entry on the green line. I don't take it here. If I take it here, of course I can see now in hindsight I would have won, but we all will be very rich in hindsight. So now let's see. NBC, this is the real line, of course, but as he did go down here one time, I got a little nervous from it. Now let's see. I know we're close, but I'll still check the other ones because I like the other lines better. Okay, here we are. And no one gave me warning. You need to be better to give me warnings also. Now let's see. We will go in on the line. Let's see. This is what is better when you have many people live in the YouTube sessions, because then always someone give me a warning when we are in the lines, you know. I think we can move this one a little more down. There. So if you come up to this red line, I'll push down. Because when there are more people, always someone sees something, and we are trading more together. That's why I also like to trade when there's more people live. Now if you come up again, I will take a trade, but we need to come into our red line for me to push the down button. Let's see. Let's hope this line lasts for a little while so we can make some money. Let's see. And if you have not done so yet, push the like button for this video. It's completely free to do so, but to help me out to get more people in. Let's see. He's stubborn, he don't want to go up. Okay, just checking, so we have all. Okay, let's check to 30. He would still have not taken because he's not inside our area. But yes, we are following now. We are very close to trade. I'm in. Okay, not the best entry, but it's good enough. Let's see if this can turn into money. We will make $95 if this one wins. We need to wait more 18 seconds. And he broke up. I'm not going to hedge today. I got a GBP, GPY is good, so let's take a look at that one. Maybe it was good before, but it's not good anymore. Now we will follow here again. Let's move this one here. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Let's zoom in. I'm ready. I don't like this one here, but still I will take it there because we have so few opportunities today and start to be boring. Because to turn profit in a day, we need a lot of trades. We get just one trade here, one trade there, that will not make profit for us. I'm in. I got a good entry. So as long as he hold the line now, we should win that trade. Now we just need to wait to see. And there we won. Cool. So we are now $90 profit till now. Now let's see. I'm ready to go in again if you come down. Let's see. So till now, Muhammad, did I say your last name correct? Where are you from? Thank for the tips, Gerald. Now let's see. We have been live now for 39 minutes, soon 40. Little activity and a little too few people in the live session, so I don't think I'll do this so much longer. If it breaks above here now, I think this is the last pair I will be watching. So if I see he breaks too much up now, we will stop this session. Then we'll just stop with a small $90 profit, but that will need to be it. But if you go down again, I will trade this till we are done. So let's wait and see. So I will put a line here now. If we break above this blue line here, let's make it a thin line. If we break above this blue line, we stop. Let's make a deal about that. So this is the last one we will trade. I will not look for more pairs. Now let's see what will happen. But yes, right away break the blue line, we stop. Or if we start to have 7 people live, we can do like this. If you break the blue line and I go back to YouTube and see if you have 7 people live, then I will continue. But if you break the blue line and less than 7 people, we will stop. So that's the deal we have now. Currently we have 4 people live, I see. And if you are live now and you have not pushed the like button, make sure you push it so we get more people in. I'm ready now to push up if you come down to the green line. And of course, if you break below the green line, we will stop also. Obviously. So now let's see, I'm ready to go in. And if you have not opened account for this broker yet, make sure you do that now. Probably you will not have time to trade today, but I will trade live Monday to Friday. I'm not 100% sure I will trade tomorrow, but I will make a video tomorrow, but I will trade Monday to Friday. I trade live every single day basically. So you have many opportunities to trade together with me. So make sure you open with my link and take advantage of the promo code. Now let's see. Monday to Friday I trade together with Forex. So if you're into that also, but I mostly do binary option. So let's see. I always find it to be a good combination to trade Forex and binary option. Because the trading style is basically the same. In Forex I trade basically support resistance together with trend lines. So I always try to trade with the trend. So I don't take a support resistant trade without it's the correct direction of the trade. Now let's see. I'm ready to go in. I'm in. Not the best entry, but I think should be good enough. Take one more there, so you have a little better entry. Now let's see how this two turns out. Now we'll not do anything more. Now let's hope this turn into profit. Now let's see. Looks to be good. One closed. And this one is a very good entries, I think will be good. There, both winners. So then we made some more prop money. So 95 plus 95. Now we have $280 profit. Let me just post that. So $280 profit till now in my live session for binary options. Let me just post that to see if we get some more activity before we continue. So we are doing quite well in this session also. I'm happy with that. Just would hope we would have a little more activity on the live session. There, and I'll post it in Twitter also. Let's see if this can help. And there, so yes, $280 profit. Cool. If anyone is copying me and doing the same good like me, tell me. Or if you're not doing good, you're copying me and you have bad interest, tell me that also. Now we're a little far away again. But still the line is good, we're still below this blue, so we'll continue. At least for now. So if we come down to the green line again, I will go in. make sure, if you are new in here now, make sure you push the like button, because we need more people live for me to trade longer. Because right away break this blue line. If you are below 7 people, I will stop. But like I said, I will guaranteely trade 1 hour in Monday. So if you have not opened an account with this broker by then, make sure you use the link you find in the chat. It's pinned. There you also find the promo code, so you get 200%. So if you want to copy me in Monday and print some money together with me, make sure you open, because we'll have a lot of fun next week. I will be at the beach, but I'm bringing my portable computer. It's a little slower, but I think it still will do good. So let's see. We are still keeping below the blue line. Okay, let's see. So till now in this session we have made $280. So I'm very happy with that. That is made from 4 different type of pairs. We lost on this one, but we won on both the other pairs. We did cross. Let me see if we are 7 people. We are just 4. I think then it's a good time to stop. We have done good, by the way. We made ourselves $280. I've been trading now for a good 50 minutes, so I think that's enough for this Saturday morning. I hope you enjoy, and make sure you join in again in Monday. I do not think I will do a live session tomorrow. I will just make a normal video tomorrow, but in Monday I will come back and I will trade live for 1 hour. So make sure you open with this broker with the link you find in the chat pinned, and let's make some good old American dollar in Monday. So see you then. Have an amazing day.